Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox Datsun Bluebird 510 diecast from Hot Wheels. Also, I will show you the easy way to wheel swap a Hot Wheel diecast with no drilling the rivet. So stay tuned. This is Datsun Bluebird 510 track day version. It's a really good looking track car, but it would be nice if it has a new set of racing wheels on it. So let's change them. I have two chrome wheels, one is with Advent marking on its rubber and the other one have Yokohama tires markings. But we're going to use this gold wheels with Advent markings on the rubber, because it would really look nice on this maroon Datsun 510. It will bring more flair to it. These are the wheels I got from a local seller here in the Philippines. I will put down his FB link down in the descriptions, so you can order one too if you want. We will need a super glue to hold the wheels onto the axle. Let's get started. Let us put some super glue on the tip of the axle. Just put enough amount. We just leave it here to dry. Then we go to the next axle. Just put same enough amount of super glue. While waiting for the super glue to dry, let's remove the old wheels of this Datsun Bluebird. I'm using long nose pliers to cut the axle. I have no plans of reusing this axle, so it's fine with me to cut it. And I don't want to drill the rivet of this car, so I really need to cut this axle. Now the axle has been cut, and the wheels were not damaged. We can keep these wheels and use this for future projects. Let's cut the other one. Now all the wheels were removed. Let us check if the super glue we put earlier were all dried up. Let us put this new wheels now. We just need to put it into the hole, and align it, so it will go out to the other side of the hole. We need to cut the extra axle using a nail cutter. Just leave enough length for the other wheel to attach to. It's time to put some super glue onto the other end of the axle. That's perfect. Now let's put the other wheel. Remember to cut the extra length of the axle. And put right amount of super glue to the end. Check all the fitment on each wheel. Make sure all the alignment were good and the wheels were spinning. Look how beautiful that is. We have now a perfect track day car. It's a real beauty. A simple wheel swap will make your car look stunning already. I think we're done here. Don't forget to clean up after each project.